Hello and welcome to another video. One of the questions I had from one of my subscribers was that how to add post into menu in blogger.com. Now we're gonna do all that. So first thing first, we're gonna create a new post. So log into blogger.com. Once you do that, it will take you, if you have a blog, it will take you to a blog straight away. If you don't have that, it's gonna ask you to create new blog. Creating your blog is easy. Okay, so then you go to post and then I'm gonna add new post. Right, so this is the post. Now what I do is I'm gonna add a simple title just to explain this. So a video guide, okay? And then I'm just gonna post something here and then I'm gonna be publishing this post. So once I publish the post, basically all you can do is just right click and then open, or up when you see a view link, right click and open. This is the URL of this post. So copy, okay? Now go to layout, then go to page menu. Blogger, they have two different type of menus. One menu could be within HTML itself by going to themes, then edit HTML, and from there you have the menu, and I'm going to show you that as well. And another one, most blogs or most templates, they have basically the menu itself within a layout. So I'm just going to click that and I'm going to go add external link. Now I'm going to paste the post that I want here, and then I'm going to type in same as title as I have a video guide. Okay, this is just example, but then you can add whatever you want to. Okay, so let's just put this in capital and then I'm going to save. Now I'm going to click on save again. All right, so now it's saved. What we're going to do, we're going to reload and the menu should show up in the left hand side. Sometimes menu is at the top, sometime on the right hand side, sometime in the left hand side. Most times is at the top and in the left hand side. That's how it normally works, but some themes they may have on the right hand side. So now we have a link, a video guide. Now we want to go to this particular post, right? And we just have a same description, a video guide, because we didn't put much information on that or a content. So let's just go and do that. All right, so what I'm going to do is, again, I'm going to reload. I just want to show you. So I'm going to click on that and it takes you to the post. So let's say this particular post, if I put more information so you can understand, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to paste that a couple of times. All right, so let's just do that. All right, so I'm going to update. Now I'm going to go to the blogging video guide again. So now we see the entire text which we have posted, which means this is a correct link because it's been taken exactly to the post where we want user to go. Now on particular posts, you can publish just about anything you want. You can use starting from HTML videos, you can upload here. If you have the code, any type of code, you can do it here. You can also put an image if you want to, just by clicking on an image. You can choose from a library, or you can choose basically from your desktop, from your computer, or if you have a URL, you can also do that. You can do all sort of stuff that you want. So you have all the options here, from URL, from your webcam, from your phone, from your albums, and from your other blogs and some other stuff. So you can do all sort of things you can do, and then just click on add selected. What it will do is it will upload the image straight away in here. Then you can reduce the size if you want to. So I mean, I can just test, is not a problem. I can test one thing. Let's just test this image. All right, so that's how you upload. So then now if you want to put on the right hand side, left hand side, sorry, kind of right hand side, or maybe at the bottom or something like that, you can do all this there. So now by just clicking it, it tells you basically like large it, extra large, original size, and so on. Original size, it means the size of the image when you download it. And then you go all sort of option that I want on the right hand side. I want, I'm just going to reduce a bit of size so that you can understand. And then you can change or even remove if you don't like it. In the end, just click on update and it will update. That's how you do example like that. Now let's just go and view the image. All right, and the image is show. Even when we go to the main page of our blog, the image shows there. So that's how you can this is called a future image, and this is how you basically add a post to the menu. Within a post, you can add all sorts of stuff as I mentioned. Even if you are selling a product, or if you want somebody to donate to your blog or something to help you with whatever cause you're trying, you can do all that. But then you're gonna have to go to each particular companies or social networks and websites or video sites or whatever. If they are provided the code from there, you need to copy the code and then come up and post into your post, publish into your post. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching my video.